Here we are in Wales again. We're at Llwyn Madoc today, a good bit further down from our last film location, Llechweddygarth. Topography may be just a little gentler, but no less dramatic. Brown of Hardwick Sporting runs the shooting at Llwyn Madoc, this being one of 2 shoots he runs, the other being the more well-known shoot Tregoyd. The 2 shoots perfectly complement one another, as visiting guns like to shoot the 2 back to back. So sit back and enjoy the action at Llwyn Madoc. Morning everybody, we're at the Foyles Hotel, another little hotel that sometimes relies on our shooting friends. We're in Wales again, doing a shoot called Llwyn Madoc, first time for me, so we'll see what it's like. Obviously the weather is looking well for some good shooting today. It's overcast, let's hope it stops like that. And hopefully we'll see some nice birds today.
You're live on your pegs. Most of the drives haven't got pegs. I'll put you in what is hopefully the right place. 2 whistles to finish drive, 3 whistles to finish the day. Most importantly, enjoy yourselves, please.
Thank you. How are we keeping?
Yeah.
And what do they call this drive?
Bald eagle.
Bald Eagle?
Yes.
Yeah, beautiful part at countryside again. Plenty of buzzards about, I see.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, lovely, thank you very much.
Yeah, enjoy it.
Now, this is the second drive at Llwyn Madoc. As I say, it's very diverse from the first one we did. We've come to Bratton and Gorse now. I'm expecting some really tall pheasants off these. It looks pretty stunning. How long have you been coming here then, picking up?
Since my dad's been a head gamekeeper, really.
Oh, your dad's head game. Is he head gamekeeper here? Ah, he's doing a good job as well. Some fantastic birds, isn't there? Yeah, you love your shooting then?
Yeah.
What sort of gun have you got?
I started with a 410 and I've now got a 20 bore now.
Brilliant. That's
28.
a brilliant little gun for you, that. And how old were you when you shot your first pheasant then?
I shot my first pheasant in Kent, which was when I was 10, 9.
Archie, thank you very much. You're a gentleman and keep the good work up. Oh, this looks very, very daunting, this drive. A real massive hanging wood, 200 yards up. This drive, known as Alcatraz. I suppose it's nobody escapes getting punished on here by the look of it. Well Ben, Alcatraz. I didn't escape any punishment there.
You did very well there. You shot some lovely birds. Really good birds. Thank you.
Right, this is the fourth and final drive at Llwyn Madoc, and we just come from Alcatraz, the third drive, which were a fantastic drive and some of the most difficult pheasants I've shot at. These come off the tops of the valley side and within 2 minutes we're spinning around in the air and looking like razor blades. Fantastic day, Ben, and thank you for inviting me.
Not at all.
I really enjoyed
Not at all.
it.
Good to have you here.
And these last two drives, especially Alcatraz, got my butt kicked a little bit there, but
No, you didn't.
absolutely fantastic.
You shot some corkers there.
Yeah.
It's as good a birds as I've seen shot, to be honest. I don't know if you saw the chap when he was standing on the very top.
Yeah.
It's a long way up there. I think it's 110 metres up there. So
And I think everybody there would be caught out with the speed of those birds.
definitely.
Well done, fantastic
Good to
day,
have you
Ben.
here, Dave.
Lovely, mate, fantastic. Yeah, don't tell anybody about the misses. All right, Dave Carrie never misses. Well done. Keep it up, Archie. Don't let me down. Brilliant. Thank you. Thank you. See you later, lads. See you later.